affection will drip as the rain. My saying will trickle as the dew, as gentle rains upon grass and as copious showers upon vegetation. For I shall declare the name of Jehovah. Do you attribute greatness to our God, the rock? Perfect is his activity. Flawless ways are justice. A God of faithfulness with whom there is no injustice. Righteous and upright is he. They have acted ruinously on their own part. They are not his children, their defect is their own, a generation crooked and twisted. Is it to Jehovah that you keep being this way, O people stupid and not wise? Is he not your father who has produced you? He who made you and received your stability? Remember the days of old. Consider the years back from generation to generation. Ask your father, and he can tell you. Your old man, and they can say to you, when the Most High gave nations an inheritance, when he parted the sons of Adam one another, he proceeded to fix the boundary of the peoples, with regard for the number of the sons of Israel. For Jehovah's share is his people. Jacob is the Aleph that he inherits. He came to find him in the wilderness and in the empty house in desert. He began to encircle him, to take care of him, to safeguard him as the pupil of his eye, just as an eagle sleeps off its nest, hovers over its fledglings, spreads out its wings, takes them, carries them on its pinions. Jehovah alone kept leading him, and there was no foreign God along with him. He kept making him ride upon earth's high places, so that they ate the produce of the field. And he kept making him suck honey out of the ground, and oil out of the flinty rock, butter of the herd and milk of the flock, together with the fat of rams, and many sheep, the breed of Bashan, and he-goats, together with the kidney fat of wheat, and the blood of the good begat drinking as one. And Jeshurun began to grow fat, then he kicked. You have grown fat, you have become thick, you have become gorged. So he forsook God who made him, and despised the rock of his salvation. They began inciting him to jealousy, with strange gods. Detestable things they kept offending him. They went sacrificing to demons, not to God, gods whom they had not known, you ones whom you simply came in, with whom your forefathers were not acquainted. The rock whom fathered you, you proceeded to forget, and you began to leave God out of memory, the one bringing you forth with childhood things, when the Most High then came to disrespect them. Because of the vexation his sons and his daughters gave, so he said, let me conceal my face from them. Let me see what their envy be afterward, for they are a generation of perverseness, sons in whom there is no faithfulness. They for the part have incited you to jealousy with what is known God. They have vexed me with their vain idols, and I for my part shall incite them to jealousy with what is known people.